Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create polls in Google Meet in 2026. First, open Google Meet in your web browser and start a new meeting or join an existing meeting. Once you are inside the meeting, click the More Options button at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can access different Google Meet settings and meeting controls. In supported Google Meet accounts, the polls feature is available from the Activities menu during a meeting. To create a poll, open Activities, select Polls, and then click Start a Poll. Enter your question, add the answer options, and then click Launch to send the poll to all participants. Participants can vote directly from their Google Meet window. As the meeting host, you can view the responses in real time and monitor the poll results while the meeting is in progress. You can also close the poll whenever you want and share the results with participants if needed. If the polls option is not available in your meeting, it may not be supported by your Google account, your Google Workspace plan, or your meeting permissions. Google Meet features can vary depending on the type of account you are using. That's it. This is how you can create polls in Google Meet in 2026. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Meet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.